Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing MSI Modern 15 laptop. This particular one comes with a Ryzen 5700U processor and without a graphics card. It just uses the built-in graphics card. As the name says, it's a 15-inch laptop, 15-inch screen with full HD screen, 60 Hz. So it's just a basic, a bit more powerful laptop, mainly for office use. So this is the laptop. We also have a leaflet or something. And this is power. Let's see what's the wattage. It's some kind of super mini power brick, 65 watts. Okay, let's leave that aside and take a look at the laptop itself. It's quite thin. As you can see, it's very thin. As it's not very power hungry, it doesn't really need much cooling as well. So let's put it aside. So here it is, laptop itself. Okay, very thin. It has a card reader, just micro SD, 2 USBs, nothing on the back at all. This is the power, HDMI, USB-C, another regular USB and headphones combined port. Let's open it up. Backlit keyboard, nice to the touch, soft. I also have a 14-inch MSI Modern here. So this is the 14-inch MSI Modern. As you can see, it's quite smaller. Thickness seems to be about the same. Here. As the 15-inch came with just 8 gigs of RAM, I will be upgrading the RAM. So basically I have to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6, 7 screws, take the top off and upgrade it. So that's about it, guys. Oh, let's just open real quick the 14-inch as well. It's again a full HD screen, but this one is just smaller. Very white and thin. Okay, thank you, bye.